はい、皆さんこんにちは。本日はですね、私、空港に来ております。シドニー空港の方に来ております。これからですね、ちょっと旅行でとある場所に行きたいと思います。ということで、本日ハワイに旅行に来ております。ここからですね、数日間ハワイの Vlog をお届けしたいと思います。ちょうど頭にハト止まってる。
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7 babe, no timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. Taking away, yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away, yeah, we're going away. You and me, feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. Come down low, running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
today's show?
They just said entertainment stuff tonight. I have no idea. It's Friday night. Yeah.
First on the list, we have our vlog.
はい、皆さんこんにちは。現在ですね、アラモアナセンターの方に到着しましたので、少し中を探索したいと思います。ちょっとまずお腹が空いたので、ちょっとお昼ご飯を食べたいと思います。実はここでですね、自分の姉と合流することになっております。ここですね。多分胸だろ。
What you gonna do when your circuit's being burned out? Staying in your lane, I'm a zombie, but I still try. I say, what you gonna do? What you gonna do right now? She thinks it's okay bringing guns to a fist fight. Staring with those eyes, knowing I'm just gonna lay down. Hey, I keep rolling with the punches, take another one, it feels nice. Ouch! I think I'm gonna break down. I've been acting like a good girl way too long. Gonna break down. 'Cause looking at her face just makes me go. What you wanna say? What you wanna do? Don't you wanna play? I'm not done with you. I'm just gonna break down. That's what I say. Wait. 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 What you gonna do when she's writing your paycheck? It really turns around, making me walk on a thin thread. So now what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Just be a pet. I am on the edge and I am holding on for dear life. I better play it cool 'cause she's not worth wasting my time. No, but she's pushing me, pushing me, pushing me. She keeps on pushing me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna break down. I've been acting like a good girl way too long. Gonna break down. 'Cause looking at her face just makes me go. What you wanna say? What you wanna do? Don't you wanna play? I'm not done with you. I'm just gonna break down. That's what I say. Wait. Wait.
そうだよ。 This is taste なんだから。Beautiful.
엄마 여기 새도 샌데 벌레가 너무 많다. 벌레가 진짜 많다. 벌레.
Why?
Why?
Oh, to have a look.
in, one to cook in, one to sleep in, one to tell a story in. And then Frank Pale Mapa always used to build the store canoe. It was always down by the water.
All right, you guys, 1,600 years ago, they came over from the Marquesas Islands. Yes, because if you bring it over really hard, it didn't. But you see,
Yeah,
yeah.
you did a lot.
Got it? But they get 'em. Okay, there it is.
Marks out over here, or sorry, structures and monuments that were built out over here. All creation, and last but not least, is going to be Kuka Inimoku, the war and navigation. He is one of our most popular gods. It's mainly for war, but also for navigation as well. Just blessing. Favorite lookouts here in Valley Pakipu. It's basically going to be was one that was purchased from the military during the time. Maybe behind 5. One of the ones being the largest one here on the ranch. We're also branching up into the we are.
れ。いや。今からですね、上の頂上まで、登ってみたいと思います。この音は横で射撃場があるのかなと。この階段を今から上がっていきます。でも感覚的には登りやすい感覚だと思います。今10分ほど歩いたんですけれども、まだまだ先は長いです。
Come on, Chris, we go.
こ 今マノアフォールというところに来てみました。有名な滝があるということなので、ちょっと奥に行ってみたいと思います。今目の前に滝が見えてきました。やっとここまで来ました。